Hello, my name is Amy McEntaffer and I'm an OBGYN here at the Iowa Clinic. One thing about me that might surprise people is that I play in an adult hockey league. My guilty pleasure is probably scrapbooking supplies. I hoard scrapbooking supplies. On my nightstand, I keep it very clean. All I have on my nightstand is my alarm clock and my glasses. That's it. I decided to become an OBGYN for lots of reasons, but it's certainly a lot of fun to be a part of somebody's birth process. I love watching a couple become a family. I love seeing the little girl in the waiting room with her I'm the big sister t-shirt. I love the moment when a new dad sees his baby being born and completely falls apart. I love all those special little moments that are really big moments in people's life, and those are some of the reasons I decided to become an OBGYN. The most rewarding part of my job in terms of obstetrics is the delivery. That's like the icing on the cake where we get to have a lot of fun with the patients. From a gynecology perspective, some of the things I really enjoy are helping young women first choose a contraceptive that was right for them. I love helping the perimenopausal women with bleeding issues correct their cycles or improve their quality of life. Those are all really rewarding parts of my job. When I'm not at the office, I enjoy spending time with my 3 kids and my husband. We're usually busy running around to the kids' activities, but in the summertime we like to camp, and so we spend a lot of time at the lakes when I'm not at work. One hobby that I have is digital scrapbooking. I love digital scrapbooking. Maybe obsession would be a better word than hobby, but I love archiving my family's memories and being our family historian. I came to Des Moines to practice medicine for several reasons. I grew up in Northwest Iowa, so it was close to home for us, and I wanted my kids to grow up near their grandparents. My sister and brother were both living in Des Moines at the time, and so it seemed like the perfect place for us to be, and we love living in Des Moines. I think it's a great place to raise your family and wonderful schools, and that's what brought us to the area. I like working at the Iowa Clinic for lots of reasons. Probably the first or most important reason is the people. I love my partners. I love my colleagues. The nurses here are fantastic, and everybody really has the patient's best interest at heart, and that's probably my favorite thing about working at the Iowa Clinic. Is Nebraska not a choice between Iowa and Iowa State? Wow, if I were not a doctor, I think the profession I probably would have chosen would have been probably a high school science teacher. I like to teach and obviously like science and medicine, and so I think that's probably what I would have done instead. Favorite movie? I am not a movie fan, so I probably have not seen any movies in the last decade. I'd have to go way back, like Pretty Woman. I'm way back. Favorite or most used app? That would be 2 different questions. My most used app is probably my hospital charting. My favorite app would be whatever my kids are playing, probably Barbie Makeup Girl on there.